In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a form in Freshsales. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together so you can smoothly manage your forms without any hassles. First, open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Just pick whatever you're comfortable with. Once you've got your browser open, go ahead and search for Freshsales. This search should lead you to the Freshsales login page, which is where our journey begins. Now, you'll need to log in. If you've got your credentials handy, enter them now. If you happen to have forgotten them, you can usually find a reset password option either on the login page itself or within a confirmation email sent by Freshsales when you initially set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Freshsales dashboard. Head over to the admin settings, which is typically represented by a gear icon or listed in a menu along the side or top of the screen. Admin settings is your gateway to managing various aspects of Freshsales, including your web forms. Within admin settings, you'll need to locate either the Leads, Contacts and Accounts section or Marketplace and Integrations. Clicking on either of these will reveal more options. From here, select Web Forms. This is the area where you can manage all the forms within your Freshsales account. You'll see a list of forms presented to you, each associated with different tasks or areas within your CRM. Find and click on the name of the form you want to update, or look for an Edit option next to it. This will open up the form editing interface and allow you to make changes. As you enter this interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as there's a lot you can do. Start by adding any new fields that you might need. There are often options available that let you drag and drop fields into your form. Similarly, if some fields are no longer necessary, feel free to delete them. Next, consider refining your fields by changing settings such as marking a field as required, making it read-only to prevent changes, or setting it as unique to ensure no duplicates occur. These modifications can enhance your data accuracy and efficiency. Remember to make sure your fields have clear, simple names and are logically arranged. This isn't just about having a tidy form, but also ensuring it's easy to use. Finally, once you've made all the desired updates, don't forget the crucial step of saving your changes. Look for a Save button, often located at the bottom of the form editing page, to commit your updates and finish the process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to updating forms in Freshsales.